Hygienic food package machine manufacturing for healthy food and human safety innovation. Ilhung food package machine. Ilhung Food Package Machinery, an automated food package machine manufacturer, has been steadily walking its path for 20 years. Ilhung Food Package Machinery leads the food package machine industry in Korea through advanced technology, perfect process control, and thorough follow-up service. Ilhung Food Package Machinery is a small but strong company that achieves differentiated customer satisfaction through prepared technology, which is related to diverse automated food package machines, including cup sealer, capping machine, filler, etc., and a package process that embraces total solution, going beyond the customer's needs, encompassing design, manufacturing, and follow-up service. We have established an in-company technical institute to practice quality management. We also ensure that we will reach our one goal, to develop the world's best products through the perfect harmony of the technical expertise of veteran engineers and the creativity of young and talented people. Our efforts have finally paid off, and our company has developed as a technical innovation company with international quality management certifications, including CE and ISO 9001, as well as many technical patents in the automated machinery field. Our systematic manufacturing system for customized machines and the diversified small quantity manufacturing differentiate us from our competitors. We supply automated food package machines to a number of major Korean food companies, including Otugi, CJ Cheilchedong, and Chongjong-won. Also, we constantly promote marketing activities to target overseas markets. As a result, we export our products to Japan, China, Russia, and many other countries. We have also been selected as a promising export company by the Small and Medium Business Administration. Cup tray sealing machine. The Ilhung cup and tray sealing machine creates the most hygienic food manufacturing environment with high-speed manufacturing and firm durability. Continuous cup sealing machine. It realizes high-speed manufacturing using CAM. Unlike the intermittent cup sealing machine, stop motion does not occur during its operation. Therefore, a liquid-filled product will not spill its contents during transport. It also prevents spillage during transport due to continuous operation. Intermittent cup sealing machine. Accurate position is secured by using an index driver during the transport of the molds. Such method also prevents a pinhole from occurring on the sealing surface. Most parts of the cup sealing machine are built with aluminum. It has a corrosion resistance in a poor environment and has strong durability. It can also easily change the filling amount. Semi-automatic sealing machine. It is suitable for diversified small quantity manufacturing. Parts can also be easily changed by replacing a container. It is applicable in small spaces and it's also easy to move according to its locations.